Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to explore a different AI tool which has many writing templates, especially for writing. It has many templates and also 100 plus templates for all other options related with social media, etc. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how that AI tool templates will be useful for our research article preparation. So before going to today's video, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which is useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different ChatGPT prompts which will be useful for you to make your research paper writing very simple. So don't forget to register our online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The link of the registration will be given in the description of the video. So see you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Scrip AI. So here you can see it's a free AI writer, 100% free. So just click on the Scrip AI and try for free. So it will ask to log in, so just you can log in with your mail ID. So after that you can see here these are the different templates are available. You will be having more than 100% templates. So here you can see for social media you will be having, it is very it is classified very perfectly. So here you can see social media AI. So social media post generator, hashtag generator, short video script. So regarding with Twitter, LinkedIn, next to Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, next to YouTube. This is what we have to watch out for copywriting. So for this copywriting you can see paragraph writer, sentence expander, content rewriter, next to sentence rewriter, sales copy generator, content ideas. So here you can see in this content rewriter you can copy and paste many number of words. So in sentence rewriter you can copy and paste the sentence alone which is subjected to plagiarism. So in order to get rid of plagiarism, so sometimes you may have shown that not all the part of your paragraph will be subject to plagiarism. Only a single sentence or a small sentence will subjected to plagiarism. So it will you can use this kind of option. Here you can see that we have tried an option with that AI content rewriter. So I have copied and pasted the content here. So after that click on rewrite. So here you can see the rewritten content. So you can copy this content and you can use this for your research paper writing. So after that you can see, go back. After that you can see this is a paragraph writer. For example, you can enter a topic here. So for example, I am going to enter that topic machine learning. So like that I am going to enter a topic called machine learning. So it's optional. If you want you can give any keywords related with the machine learning. So after that you can see different languages are available starting from English, Spanish, French, Chinese, Russian, German, Japanese, Arabic, Indonesian, Vietnamese, Thai, Korean, like that it will be generate. So here I am going to give it as a formal one and click on write paragraph. So it will take several, yes, our content is started to generate it. So here you can see machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables computer to learn from experience. It is an application oriented technology which uses algorithms to identify patterns, relationships in data and then use the insights gained to make predictions or decisions without explicit. So here you can see machine learning algorithms are being used across many industries from banking, finance, healthcare and retail. So like that it will generate a better content only. So you can make use of this option to generate any introduction or part of your research paper easily. So go back again, we will explore with some other option. So apart from that you can use this kind of things, that is blog AI. So blog post ideas, blog post title, blog post outline. So blog paragraph writer, blog post, I am going to click blog post outline. For example, say I am going to give renewable energy. So you can give blog description here. So after that keywords, if you are interested in, you can give keywords. So generate a blog post outline. So here after that it will start to generate a blog post outline. So here you can see definition of renewable energy, benefits of renewable energy. So here you can see solar, wind, hydro, geothermal, advantages of renewable energy, disadvantages of renewable energy, conclusion. So like that it will generate an outline for the content also. So after that you can use all the blog related templates for your writing also. So you can make use of this option to write general content using this AI tool. So apart from this, you can have this these are the different things available that is related with email, and that is YouTube, and then website copy AI. So here you can see, so these are the things which will be added soon. So regarding your AI job or AI resume, next regarding advertisement, next other tool like, say here you can see other AI tools like songwriter, poem, bullet point summary, answer. This can be added soon. So make a note of this AI tool, so which will be useful for writing in future. The next AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Dinu AI. So it's a number one AI powered generator. So after that log into your Dinu AI, you will be getting a dashboard like this here. So this is the dashboard you can see. So here in this dashboard, this is the dashboard you can see here. So you can use up to 10,000 words for free. So after that what you can do is you can click on the option called templates. So in this templates you will be having different categories. So as like in all AI tools which is having built-in templates. So here you can see blog contents, email templates, social media, website contents, general contents, etc. So like that it will be having. So here you can see blog section, blog idea, blog title, blog intro, blog summary. So next you can see different options related with your social media content, and then you can see vision of a company, mission of a company. Here you can see academic essay. I am going to click on academic essay. So here in this academic essay, so here you can select a language and you can give a title of a essay. For example, how to write a research paper. So I am going to give the title like this. So after that you can click on an option called create content. Yes, you can see that our content is generated successfully. So next here you can see title, how to write a research paper, starting from introduction of the research paper. So as this window is very small, I am going to copy this and I am going to paste in a Word file. So thereby you can get a clear idea how the content is generated. See, the content is generated around 633 words. It's a better thing for essay, that is academic essay. Here you can see how to write a research paper, introduction. So you can see the introduction here, and then step 1 choosing a topic, conducting, step 2 conducting a background research, step 3 outlining the paper, step 4 developing a strong and thesis statement, step 5 writing the introduction, step 6 conducting methodical research, next step 7 analyzing and synthesizing findings. So next step 8 crafting and convincing conclusion, next conclusion. So this is all about how you can generate academic essay. So it is a better option to make essay easily. So apart from this you will be having different options like you can see content rewriter, paragraph generator, as like in other AI tools, paragraph generator, content rewriter, and then grammar checker. So I am going to click on this grammar checker. So I am going to give some content in order to check the grammar. So here copy and paste this one paragraph. I am going to copy and paste this paragraph here in this grammar check. So after that you can here you can select the language. After that you can click create content. So let us see how it will check grammar. So whether the sentence is shuffled or it will check the spelling mistakes or not. Let us see how it will works out. So in Dinu AI it will take a little bit longer when compared to all other AI tools. You have to wait for at least more than a minute. So I have waited for more than a minute for academic essay, but in 20 seconds the grammar check will be generated. So according to the content you are giving, it will be very faster. So here you can see this our content is checked grammatically. So here you can see some of the sentences also shuffled. In this you can see this rooftops up to 100 kilowatt declined is 1 per watt. So here is this, the sentence is changed. It's important to note that prices may differ based on location and system specifications. So like that it will check grammar also. So you can make use of this option grammar check to check your research papers. And also you will be having other options like promotion letter, motivational quote, story outline, next TikTok script, Instagram. So like that these are the different options available. So apart from this kind of AI templates, you will be also having a chatbot. So here you can click on chatbot. So you will be having a chatbot here. So you can type or enter anything you want. So for example, I am going to ask how to make literature review easily. So like that I am going to ask a question. Here you can see this, our chat answer is generated. So making a literature review can be simplified by following steps. Define your research questions, conduct a comprehensive search, evaluate and select sources, take organized. So like that you can copy this organized notes, like that you can copy this one. So after that you can use according to the given input prompts, it will generate answers. So you can use this content for your writing. So like that, yes, it is generating still. So I have just told only 4 options: taking organized notes, and then identify themes and patterns, structure your literature review, write and revise your review. So like that it will take several seconds to generate the complete content. So you have to wait for some time. So after that it is completed. You can see here, remember your literature review require time, effort and critical thinking. Don't rush through the process. Take your time, thoroughly understand and analyze existing literature in your field. So like that it will generate answers in this particular chatbot. So you can make use of this chatbot to generate a content also. So after that you will be having different options like speech to text conversion, AI image quotes, AI code, etc. So these are the different templates available in this Dinu AI. So as far as pricing is concerned, so you can use this for, here click on subscription. So you can use for free up to 10,000 words. So after that, here you can see it is powered by GPT 3.5 OpenAI model. So here you can access 71 AI templates, 10,000 words per month. If you go for subscription option, you will be having unlimited words per month. So here you can see Dinu AI for business, you will be having 6 lakhs words per month. So like that you can make use of this Dinu AI if you are interested in. So go on and check. You have 10,000 words for free, and make use of this Dinu AI for your research paper writing. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So you can go on and explore the Scrip AI. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.